Hey, I'm Ahmad Kamran, and I am a full stack and AI focused engineer with over 10 years of experience. In this short demo, I'm going to walk you through Vestra.app, a custom property management platform I built for a real estate client. The goal was simple: automate rent collection, streamline tenant communication, simplify maintenance requests, and make monthly reporting effortless. So let's dive in. So that's basically a super admin portal where super admin, as the owner of the system, can invite the property managers very easily. Um, they can invite on their email, and after that, that is their uh, PM site, project manager dashboard. So where they can manage everything at a glance. So from here, the PMs can add new properties, right? And new property would take them to the a step flow where they can add all the details like property details, unit details, rent and lease setup, tenant assignment, um, individual rent or their default rent, can add multiple tenants to a unit, right? Um, can add different units. Also, they can import their through a CSV file, and at the end screen, they'll just see a simple summary, right? And on their payments, here basically in the payment screen, they can see what they have collected, what's pending payment, their any maintenance fee, total rent, etc. They can add their bank account. That bank account is basically to collect or withdraw their payments. So project managers, they can add multiple bank accounts, but that based on the settings what super admin has set for the for a particular PM. So on the PM level, they can handle the bank account limits, and that's due to the reason that the more banks a PM add, the more cost it will add on the Stripe on the owner's side. So that's why a limit was added to handle that. Um, they can see the invoices based on their units and from each tenant. They can see the paid invoices, unpaid invoices. They can download the PDF. They can, for the unpaid, they can edit the invoice. They can send them a reminder. They can also create a manual payment here, which allows them, like, let's say if some tenant has handed over some amount directly outside the system to the PM, so they can handle it from here as well. Uh, right, and they have other things. They can upload the property level documents within the some categories. They can add individual tenants as well. They'll have some work orders where they can see the status of their maintenance tasks. And very interesting thing, they have a AI generated summary report of how they are performing and what's if they have any pending tasks, if what they have collected. For example, here they have across this property they have collected uh, $1 or $2. The maintenance cost was 320 from 100 off ticket. 150 was refunded for this property. And yeah, they as it's follow up on Ahmad Khan work order that has maintenance tie which is pending. So it's to remind them about the follow-ups. For this is not like basically they can see a real-time stats. They can regenerate it and see if it's if anything is updated. Real-time via API call. So that's how the PM basically handle all that stuff on their end. They can manage their roles it's very customized. They can allow certain things, certain permissions to each member. So, it's fully secure. And if I now take you to the tenant side, so yeah, tenant side, also they can do some real-time chat with the both the staff member that is assigned to their request, and the project manager directly can answer to this chat. um, right. They can see the documents that's been uploaded by the property manager. They can make new requests, or if they face any issue, any kind of maintenance stuff they want to generate, so they can simply create some new ticket. Right. And from here, in their payments, they have both options. They can add their bank account, they can add their card, um, which is all basically handled through Stripe. Um, they can either add their bank account for their recurring payments. Right. So, everything is handled through Stripe. Um, okay. And similarly, they can see their invoices, they can see their transactions, which were successfully done for the unit. So that's a kind of basic overview that they can, yeah, one thing they can also do partial payments for any particular invoice, and the leftover will be forwarded to the next month. They can also set up auto pay. Auto pay means like, they enable that, okay, this is my bank account, and just charge automatically on the particular date for each month. So that was it.
So, this was a quick look at Vestra, a full-featured platform built to simplify property management through automation and AI. I built everything you saw, from rent logic to live chat, invoices, payments, and reporting. And we designed it to be scalable from day one. So if you're looking to build something similar or want help launching your next SaaS product, MVP, or AI featured application, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.